something mildly shocking. I've actually bought honest-to-God Legos. And I don't think I'll be doing it again anytime soon, because holy shit, these fucking things are expensive. These are Blind Bag. Holy shit, Series 18 they're up to already. My god. Usually bootlegs, you know, if a figure is good enough, they eventually do come out as bootlegs, but, you know, not always. Just about everything has, but, I don't feel like waiting. These are called blind bags, but I've got really good sense of feel. But yeah, I really do, and it's very rare that I don't fondle these and get exactly what I wanted. I didn't sit there in the store for hours fondling either. This was like the second one I picked up, and I think this was the fourth one I picked up. I could tell that the Rocket Man was one of them that I picked up, and that looks silly as shit. And then there's Mr. Popping Out of a Cake, it looks like. It felt like there was a giant cake or something in it. And sure enough, I saw this guy on the package after that, and I'm like, oh, it must have been him. For one thing, if he's popping out of a cake, shouldn't he be naked? Anyway, I was pretty much looking at this figure and this figure, and like I said, I almost instantaneously was able to feel them. And if I'm wrong, I'm really surprised if I am, because my sense of touch is really good. Yeah, okay. Let's see if I'm right or if I'm wrong. I am... Oh! I'm wrong. I was wrong. I'm not sure which one it was I thought this was, but I'm wrong. Huh, they're not even on this. And they didn't have the shipping box at the store I went to. So I really can't... I wasn't able to see the side of the box to see what other figures were in there. Wow, I got it wrong. I thought it was this one, or this one, and it was in fact Mr. Unicorn Knight. Huh. Let's see what else they got here. They've got a person in an elephant costume freaking out because of a mouse. Brick boy, brick girl, balloon man, or clown with balloon animals, the rocket guy I mentioned, cactus girl, popping out of a cake guy, spider guy, I guess? That's really kind of weird. Yeah, I think I felt for that one, but I didn't feel it. This looks like a postman or a policeman. Man, they're using like a really old Lego design there. I mean, I don't remember ones with badges, but I remember those damn dots. I mean, we're talking 70s Lego there. And even that stupid little hat. Here's one that's kind of cool. I like this Dragon Man one. That's pretty neat. I have those wings from another set, but I don't have that tail, and I don't have that head. That's kind of neat. I like it. I can't wait till they bootleg it. Chick with a purple balloon. The only good thing about it is a purple balloon. One really ratty-ass looking cat girl costume. Holy shit. Looks like they climbed out of a garbage can. Here's a guy with a race car around his waist. That's just really abstract and funny. Here's Flower Girl. You know, I wonder if I was feeling that instead of that. I mean, I was thinking a cake, but maybe it was a flower pot. I don't know. Ew, that's weird. They have a guy wearing a horse costume. You know, I mean, like, it's like literally a horse costume, not him riding a horse. That's really strange. Here's what looks like a little birthday boy, I guess. And, yep, wow, I'll be damned. I fucked up. I guess my sense of touch is not as magical as I thought. Huh, I'll be damned. Now, why is it showing a... Oh, that's the horse guy. Okay. Okay, let's see what the other one... Wait, why don't I just look at this one first, huh? That'd be crazy. Okay. Yeah, and like I was saying in either the last video or the video before that, when Lego has these tails, they're made of rubbery plastic, whereas that one bootleg that I had of Tigra was actually hard plastic. I wonder what that is on his chest. Looks like just some weird symbol on a crown with stars. Huh, I don't know. It goes on there. They only have one face and they're winking. Burnt. Burnt. Yeah, it's cute enough, I guess. Not really something I wanted, though. Yeah. I wonder what made me think this was something else. Either that or maybe I put the right one down and picked up the wrong one? Ooh, that could be. Because at one point I had 4 packages in my hand. 2 of them I was sure of. Ooh, man, wouldn't it be funny if that's what happened? Maybe I got distracted by the looming employees there and just put down the 2 wrong ones. Oh my, I wonder if I did that. That would explain things, wouldn't it? Yeah, because this doesn't jive with anything that... Oh, I probably thought maybe that was the cactus points? I don't know. If I thought that was the cactus points, then this could very well be the brick girl. That's sad. I wanted a cactus. Okay, and it looks like... Oh, here's the shield from the other guy. Ah, this shield's actually kind of neat. It's like a unicorn on a, you know... Just like a paisley type pattern going on in the background. That would look cool on like the chest of a mecha or something. Anyway. Okay, this one I did get right on. Oop, and the head just fell off the table. Let's see this body. The body's weird. Oh my god, and it also is slippery. Huh. That's really strange construction. Okay, the arms are separate. And I thought that was a separate piece, but it's not actually. That is actually set into this piece here. Huh, that's freaky. Okay, legs go there. I thought for sure that this would be like a slip-over robe type thing. Not like the whole body, actually. That's odd. Okay, she has a smiling face. More like a very pervy smiling face. I don't like their lipstick on these. It makes it look like they have like jizz on their upper lip or something. It's like they've been eating Cheetos or something and really sloppy. Yeah. Typical ponytail hairdo that another Lego hairdo that just needs to be retired and gotten rid of already. And she comes with a brick. Wow, that's exciting. But I like it, though. I do like this because you can attach it to... get on there. Jesus, fuck me. It's just a brick on a brick. Come on. For fuck's sakes. Get on. Okay, fuck you too. I'm not doing it. Yeah, that's kind of cool, though. I'm surprised they haven't done anything like this sooner. Yeah, it's very basic and very simple, but it's cute. I don't know. And the guy is pretty much the same exact thing except in red. Yep. Well, that's what happens when you buy legit products. You might not get the one you're actually shooting for. That's a pity. I really did want that cactus one. But, you know, bootlegs are such a thing that, give it a year or 2. Maybe even less. It seems like they're getting faster and faster with bootlegs. This will pop out eventually. Yeah, 2018. These just came out, I bet. Well, duh, it's 2018. Fuck. Like and subscribe.